Good morning, good morning. So it is currently the 3rd of July. And as you can see, got some nice, long, luscious locks, which are going to be gone soon enough. I've not told the boys that I'm going to do it, but I'm going to go very, very, very short for India. And we'll see. It's going to grow back in it. But what's life without taking a few risks? Checking back in. Check the hair. So we got to the point where it was just like, just shave it off. Just shave it.
What is going on? It is July the 5th and I am about to walk up to Ilkley Station. I'm heading to Manchester Airport today to meet the boys in India. It's going to be a 2-3 month trip hopefully, but I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be absolutely class. I'm on the 8:30 flight from Manchester to Oman and then should get into New Delhi tomorrow around 1:35 where I'm going to wait for the boys and we're going to head out into India all together. It should be an absolutely class trip. Let's go.
Welcome to the Leeds train.
So we are in Manchester Airport after standing all the way. We've had a nice coffee, chilled, done a little bit of some of my projects, and now we are waiting for the flight, 6.5 hours to Oman, a country I've never been to, but I can't really classic when we're in the airport. Let's do it.
Thank you, straight down.
Oh man, we've just arrived in Oman after a 6-hour long flight behind 2 kids that were just puking up everywhere, which was always fun. Absolutely stank on the flight and the mum just kept shouting at them for puking, but we're all here now, so I just sat at gate C11 in Oman Airport. It's absolutely red hot, but it's a lovely airport. It's only 5 AM UK time and just approached 8 AM Oman time. I think I'm going to crash on this next flight. Really do. Delhi bound.
Dig the metal flap.
Landed in India. Passport control is a little bit different to what I'm normally used to. Normally used to going through America where it's bam, 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 straight in order, make a wrong move and you're out of the country. Rocked up here, they're all fast asleep, just snoozing at border control. But I'm currently waiting for my bag. I've been waiting for about 15 minutes on this conveyor belt here behind. I'm not seeing my bag. We are at the international arrivals in New Delhi Airport waiting for these two. I've been here for the last 4 hours, literally sat over in Costa Coffee. I've had a couple of coffees, been awake pretty much for the last 30 odd hours of travelling, but I'm waiting for the lads now and they should be coming within the next 10 minutes. So I'm going to make a little sign and stand there with them. I am so excited to see him, and then we'll get out into Delhi and get to the hostel, which should be a pretty fun evening. So I'm sat here waiting for him. In the corner of my eye I see this random guy, this Indian guy, just taking a selfie of me just kind of on my phone. He's like wanting a picture. And I look at him and I just see on his screen just me like looking at myself. He's trying to take a picture. Proper slide, just didn't get away with it, and then we got a photo. Wider. So.
Yeah, we are here. We're alive.
How are you doing, brother? we've got the boys, full squad here. Got our taxi man. Yes. Eventually, Delhi's airport is absolutely mayhem. God knows what it's going to be like outside the airport. It's going to be mental. First impressions, really hot, quite dry, sweaty, smelly, class.
Smelly Delhi.
Yeah. Smelly Delhi. We're excited to be here though, we can't wait for the experience in.
Oh god. So this is the hostel that we're staying out there. Let's do it.